I am Joseph Gamponya, owner of SMG Agri Trading from Ilocos Norte, Philippines. Also, alumni of an Academy for Creating Enterprise year 2008 at Cebu. As an entrepreneur, I've experienced a lot of ups and downs in running our travel and tour business. But when pandemic struck globally, our business got affected. So we looked at other business opportunities and came up with an idea to start a poultry business. But we don't have enough capital to start a new one. Because our son got diagnosed a bone cancer and he just finished his treatment at that time. So we looked for suppliers that can give us a consignment term. Gladly, we found a supplier. As of now, we sell ready-to-lay chickens for egg production through our Facebook page. This is our pick-up area where we stock the chickens and cages. Most of our customers are OFW, government employees, and retirees. Some are seamen, store and grocery owners, and farm owners. Regularly, they saw our ads on Facebook and Instagram. My favorite rules of thumb in business is first, to start small, think big. Second, have a multiple suppliers. Third, buy low, sell high. Then fourth, manage more by doing less. In business, we need continuous innovation. SMG Agri Trading starts by selling a day-old pullet. The market was good, but most of our customers' concern is the mortality rate of a day-old pullet. So we innovate our business and see another business opportunity. We gave our customers an option of either a day-old pullet or ready-to-lay chicken. We noticed that most of our customers prepare ready-to-lay chicken. The business continues to innovate and focus on selling ready-to-lay chicken. And we start to offer packages like ready-to-lay chicken with cages and accessories. We also innovate our marketing strategy, focuses on Facebook advertising with 24/7 visibility online in our target market. SMG Agri Trading has a strong online community that helps our prospective buyers and regular clients. The online community helps the members in sharing their ideas, experiences, and techniques for taking care of their RTL chickens. We love, care, and support our clients. SMG Agri Trading is purely home-based to lessen our operating expenses. We can operate anywhere as long as we have cell phones and internet connections. The business is very profitable because we start first in our province, and after 7 to 8 months, we expand our target market in Region 1. After a year, we expand again in Region 2. The demand for the business is still continuous and we have received many inquiries. The impact of our continuous innovation gives us massive result in our sales. So we decide to cater nationwide. As of now, we have already partners in the Visayas and Mindanao. Our future plan is to have our own farm to raise our RTL chickens here in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. We also have plans to make our own vitamins and feeds. The business helps us to become more self-reliant, and now we can provide for our needs and help some in need in the community. The most important thing is we pay our tithes and generous past offering.